name's Sheila.
Hi, my name is Kara.
Hi, my name is Sophia.
Today we're going to be talking about the robot project. Every first grader across the school is going to make one.
Even you can sleep with it if you have nightmares.
Even it can clean your room.
You can use bottle caps for the wheel. And you can make it look like anything you want. My family's helping me. That's what Miss Watt also said. But your families might help you because it might be more easier. Because you only have until spring break's over to finish it.
My dad's gonna help me make my robot.
Even my mom's going to make me help my robot.
You can use anything you want.
By the way, this is all about the robot project. Okay, you can make it however you want. Okay, but I'm using like princess materials for mine because I'm making a princess robot.
And I'm making a princess robot too.
I'm making I'm going to make a principal robot.
I'm making a kid robot.
Okay, now that's the end of our video.